How to generate videos using Sora AI. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website of Sora, type in Sora AI. Now click on this one website option, Sora by OpenAI. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now click on Start Now. Now click on the option Login given at the top right. You'll be prompted to create an account or use your existing account. Just go ahead and type in the credentials. Provide your date of birth, then click on Next. You'll be prompted to choose the subscription. In order to get access to Sora AI, you'll need to select any of the subscription, ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro. From these two subscriptions, select any of it. Now you have to fill out this, contact information and payment method. Then click on Subscribe. Once you have upgraded to the ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro, you'll be directed to this page. Now from here you are able to generate video. Here you have to provide the prompt. Make sure to provide the detailed description for your video. Sora AI converts text description into detailed video clips and produces lifelike visuals, physics, and motion. It can generate several seconds to minutes of continuous footage. It supports realism, animation, cinematic, and artistic styles. It can also generate scenes with multiple characters, actions, and interactions. Now at the bottom you will find different options. You are able to choose the clip duration, resolution, aspect ratio, likewise presence. So you can see that I have generated the video. It's gonna take some time. And here you can see that my video is ready. Clicking on three dots, you are able to favorite, likewise download this video. You can generate scenes with multiple characters, actions, and interactions. So this is how you can use Sora AI to generate videos. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.